everybody? It's Alexander Love back at you guys with a actual review. We're gonna do a review today, okay? So I am going on a vacation very soon, and one of the things that I really needed to get, I did not want to spend the money for this at all, but one of the things that I really needed was a new vlogging kit. Just something that wasn't too expensive, something that would have a LED light with it, so when it's dark outside I can still get decent footage, and something that had a mic, because right now what I've been using for my vlogging, I use my, I think it's called or pronounced Zhiyun. I think it's called that. It's Zhiyun, and I love this thing because it's a camera stabilizer and it's just really smooth. It makes my footage really smooth. So when I put my phone in here, this little thing pops up, and then like it keeps it very smooth. So the phone never shakes, it never wobbles, it stays straight. So if I'm running or if I'm going over bumps and stuff, you won't even see it in the footage, which I love this thing. But like I said, the mic that I use when I use this, I have to use a lapel mic, which I'm using right now, and it has a cord. So I have to literally hold this, and I can't sit it. It doesn't have a stand or anything where I can sit it down and walk away from it. Now, I have like balanced it a couple times and like walked away from it with my phone in it. It'll stand, but it doesn't feel safe to me. It doesn't feel secure. It doesn't feel like something that I want to do a lot because I want to fuck my phone up. That's literally the only thing I have right now to record is my iPhone 8. So we gonna rock with this bitch until we get some more money. But anyway, I'm going on vacation and I really want to get a lot of decent footage. I want to get quality footage. I want to have it, you know, be at least well lit and have the audio still be great, okay? The bitch went to Amazon. I ordered it yesterday, y'all. It got here in one day. I fucking love Amazon Prime. I got this, I think it's Movo vlogging kit off of Amazon, and I paid $99 for it. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I paid $100 for it, so we're gonna go ahead and take this out. It comes with the shotgun microphone, the LED light, extension bracket, phone clamp, tripod, TRRS cable, so for the cable that goes from the mic to the phone, a lightning cable, and a micro USB cable. So let's go ahead and take this out by Movo. You guys see that? And then this one comes in a nice little cute little box too, like a little case, which I really love. I love when they send stuff like this because it allows me to keep everything together. That's how it comes. You guys see everything in there? It has a little sticker in there. It has creators wanted. That's me, bitch. I'm right here, bitch. Chocolate and all. So we got the light, the little LED light, microphone right here. So I do like how they got the little zip bag back here so I can put more stuff in here if I need to, SD cards, whatever I need. It's called a shotgun mic just because it hangs out over the top of the actual equipment straight out. So it's going to absorb that sound coming directly into the front of it. Like if you take it out, all that sound going right in the front, it'll pick that up, and then the sound around. It has this cute little handle, and this is what I meant by like if I'm out, you know, on my vacation and I want to keep recording but I don't want to have to hold it, I can stick this on a table. I'm gonna be doing some food reviews, hopefully I am, and I need to be able to have my camera without having to hold it so I can sit it down and eat at the same time. So this is like really cute. So it can be a handle, or you can go ahead and open that up and sit it on the table. This is going to be the attachment that we hook all of our other attachments onto, as you guys can see. So this is actually going to screw into this. That little knob right here is to move this ball around so you can adjust the camera and sit it at many different angles. So we're going to try that out too. So like as you guys can see, I just screwed this little piece right here is what our phone holds into. And it's actually like really strong. It has that little like, that little spring loaded clamp. I love that. You know, you slide it in there and then clamp it down. See that? I'm already fucking loving it. And it's really light. I love that. So it's not like you're, you know, you can just kind of do whatever. And it's not like you're carrying a lot of extra baggage, or, you know what I mean? It's not heavy. It's just pretty much like you're carrying your phone. It sits right up. So if I'm sitting and if I'm doing a review on something and I don't want to have to hold the phone, I can go ahead and sit it there just like that. And then I can still be recording myself and not having to worry about somebody holding it for me. Love it. Now this little thing right here is kind of like the, I'm going to say call it like a mechanics bracket. They call it something else, but this is what we're going to put the light and the speaker on. So this would be called the, I would say this would be the extension bracket. I'm going to slide this right in here like that. Slide it in there, tighten it up. So now that's on there, right? And you can slide your light, tighten it back up. So you can slide that in there like that, and then you tighten it down. And now you got this big light right on top of your phone. And do the same thing with your mic. Oh, bitch, it almost fell. Oof. Off that motherfucking shit. I would have been pissed because the bitch did not get the warranty. And I know better than to not get a warranty, but I'll be alright. You got to hook the speaker, the little microphone, into your phone. So it comes with the cable for that to put in the microphone and in your phone. And then I believe this is the charging cable for your light. And then this should be the adapter for your iPhone. Let's see. Yeah, and then this is the adapter for your iPhone, for your microphone to your iPhone. So they do have them both for your Android and for your iPhone. There's a plug to go from the top of your mic. So you're gonna put this in the top of your mic, like that. And then I'm gonna put this in the bottom of my phone, like that. Okay, so now my mic's hooked up. So I think that this just saves me a lot of the hassle from having my lapel mic going from my my little gimbal back here on the counter that I showed you guys, and having to have just so much, space with recording. This makes it so easy. And I only paid $99 for this off Amazon. So I think so far, based off of what I'm vibing with and what I'm noticing about it, I love it. And I haven't even really tried it yet. Now the only thing is, I might have to charge the light first. No. Wow, there goes the light. And that's pretty bright. So you guys see that? And it gets brighter. You guys see that? That's pretty damn bright, y'all. Like, I need that. Like, that's the lowest setting. That's the highest setting. Just watch this. I'm gonna turn off all these lights. Watch this. Do you guys see that? So I think that, and that's the lowest setting. That's the lowest setting. And you see my camera? Well, you can't see it, but that's the lowest setting, and it looks very, very good. So what I'm gonna do is, it actually, you guys can't see it, but it looks good. Like, you see it in the camera, it looks good. And that's on the lowest setting. That's the highest setting. So it doesn't matter where I am. If it's dark outside, if it's night, I will always be well lit. That's bright. Y'all see that? That's bright. And that's on the highest, y'all. This is the lowest right here. You see that? That's the highest. I like it. I like it. And then look, when I don't want to hold it, I can go like this. I'm still lit. I want to see if I can get the same kind of quality audio with this mic. That would be pretty much the only thing that I really want to try. It's light, guys. Like, it's not heavy at all. Like, I'm not going to get tired. Like, you see how I'm just moving this around? I'm not going to get tired walking around holding this. You know what I mean? And then if I do, bitch, guess what I can do? Guess what I can do? If I want to take a shot, if I'm doing what if I'm turning the fuck up and the bitch want to take a shot, watch. You see how I set that down right there? Look, I can sit that bitch right there and still be recording on this bitch, like, and then go over here, get a shot of boom boo. Go over here, get a shot of boom boo on the camera and be like, bitch, hey, and then, oh, no chaser, bitch. So if you guys are looking for something like this, go ahead, check out this Movo kit. Check out this Movo kit on Amazon, and they'll get that shit to you in a day with Amazon Prime. I will put the link below. The link will be below. And when if you guys get this set up, get this like vlogging kit, make sure you guys drop a comment below me and tell me how much you like it. Tell me what you use it for. Just let me know. But I cannot wait to use this, okay? That's pretty much it. I'm Alexander Love. Y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Bye. Bye.